How to use shell command in Autocad. Solution. Shell command creates a hollow object with a specified thickness. You can specify a constant wall thickness for all the faces. You can also exclude faces from the shell by selecting them. You can run this through solid edit command or from solid editing panel. Shell command has following options. Add the face of 3D solid for shell. Remove faces specifies the face to be removed when the object is shelled. All, by default all faces are selected. This can add or remove all the face from selection. See how it works. Here you can see we have created one rectangle. Run extrude command and extrude the rectangle to create a 3D solid. Now change the color of 3D solid to red. From solid editing panel select the shell command. Select the solid. By default all faces are selected. So select the two faces here to remove. Enter offset distance example 8. Press enter. Here you can see a wall of 8 mm thickness is created. By using the default all option in shell command. Now we see the add option of shell command. Run extrude command and extrude the circle to create a 3D solid. Now change the color of 3D solid to green. From solid editing panel select the shell command. Select the solid. Select add option. Select remove option. Select the mid face of 3D solid. Enter offset distance example 10. Press enter. Here you can see mid face has removed and a outer wall of 10 mm thickness are created. Now we see through solid edit command. Here you can see that we have created one 3D solid. Run solid edit command. Select body option. Select shell option. Select the solid. Select the upper face. Enter offset distance example 10. Press enter. Here you can see outer wall of 10 mm thickness is created. And mid-circle wall also 10 mm thickness is created. Thanks for watching.